Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and your trading journey is going well. So in this video, I will be discussing about my swing trading journey for the month of July. Okay, so without any wasting time, so let's deep directly into my journal. Okay, this is the trading journal which I follow. I made it myself. So as you can see, I made in the for the month of July, I made around 34,000, almost near to 34,000 profit only by swing trades. Okay, only by swing trades. In that, only around two, three were some intraday trades were included. Except that it was almost completely fully swing trades. Okay, so you can see the number of positions is zero, right? Zero because I moved the open position to August calendar. That's what is showing as a zero. And the rest for the July month, I almost traded 18 trades. I closed 18 trades, 18 swing trades. I closed on an average per trade. I got around 2.6% of return. Okay, my max profit per trade is around 10,000 and max loss is around 4,000. Okay, so I made around with from the total of 18 trades, I won around 11 trades were in profit and 7 trades were in loss. Okay, on an average my average holding days is about 9 days. My winning ratio is about 61%. It is quite very well, very good winning ratio. Actually, previously compared to my previous month, June month, it was improved a lot, right? So you can see in the June month, in the July month, I traded around only few days, so like 3, 6, 8, or 10 days only I traded. So with that only I made around 34,000. Okay, so these are my trades. Especially I took in the month of July, and closed in the month of July. Few were taken in June and closed in July. Okay, right. So this one, BML land asset. This is almost. I hold it for around 18 days, but I didn't see any momentum. I closed the trade with a minor loss. Okay, see this also like NRB industrial bearing. This is also I hold it for around 18 days. But since there is no movement, I close it at a very minimal loss, 0.01%. Then this is also TVS Electronics. TVX Electronics also same, almost 15 days I hold it, but there was a very less momentum, so I closed the trade early. I made around a 3.6 percentage profit. And this is Wipro. This is one intraday trade. I'm not going to discuss about this one. Then this Chennai Petro also I hold it for around 1 week, around 7 days. I made around a very good return of 10.2%. Then this Westlife, just for within with the 4 days only holding time, I made around 7.5% return. I exited it early. It was like very good call. Once after I exited, within the moment it dropped to minus 7%. Okay, so it was a very sharp exit, that was I can say. Okay, then this is Sipla. This is also like intraday trade. I'm not going to discuss this. Bharati Airtel and Kotak, this is also both all are intraday trading. This Jubilant Ingravia, this is also I made around, this invested a lot without any risk management. I invested a lot in this one, so with that 7% I made around 10k. That is one thing. And this is Sundaram Fastener. This is a major like a major loss also. Like I lost around 4.2%. I hold it for 7 days, but I took a loss. No issue. Since there was no momentum, I got my stop loss it. Same with this Ruby Mill also. Ruby Mill is also my stop loss was it. No momentum was there. And then this Surya Roshini, I made around 10% in just 10 days. And this Vishnu Chemicals, I made around 14 percentage within 16 days. So this Surya Roshini and this Vishnu, I already made a video on how I made 10% in just to 8 days, and in the in the Surya Roshini, and 15% in just 12 days in the Vishnu Chemicals, right? So you can watch these videos if you want to like, or if you like. Okay, and then this Capri Global, this is also CGCL. This is also, it was a very good entry, but there was weak choppy market. because of that US India trade deal. That's why I took a loss of 4%. I'm 4%, and this was like another data patterns. This was also very good trade, but a sudden fall made me to exit my stop loss it. Okay, this capital was 4,000 means because I risked around 1% of my total capital, and the rest are these are 2,500, 2,600. These are I risked only about 0.5% of my total capital. So okay, this is still technology also, Sterling technology also. It was a very it gave a momentum, but after a few days it was again coming back. So I trialed my stop loss to my CTC, and I took my trailing stop loss was it, and I exited. This intellect design also just within one day, it was like a sharp fall. I took loss. Okay, I exited. So these are the trades which I took in the month of July, and here I mentioned the reasons, entry and exit reasons also. You can see on what basis I entered and what basis I exited, whether I got a stop loss hit or whether I'm happy with the profit, or whether is there any reason for exit. Those are I mentioned journaling everything here. Yeah, this portion is already discussed. Actually, this 34,000 is a combination of the trades which I'm taking. I'm taking some are in done, and some are in some other flat trade and there are the. Okay, so this is the month of July month, right? This is a July month calendar in the done. So you can see the same whatever you're seeing here, the same trades, but except this July and July 29 and 29 trades are not mentioned in the done, because these two are taken in some different broker. So except that in the done itself, I made around 41,000. It was almost more than half of my monthly salary. That's a good amount, I can say. Okay, this is the one thing, and yeah, regarding this is the regarding my swing trading journey in the for the month of July. Okay, hope you guys like my video. If you really like it well, please share, subscribe, and like. Yeah, thank you.